How to verify your Remitly account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guide. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the processes on how you can verify your Remitly account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to verify your Remitly account, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to just launch the Remitly application here. And once you launch the Remitly app, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to make sure that you're first of all signed into the account. Then tap the My Remitly option from the bottom right hand side of the screen. And if you want to verify your account, tap on the option called Increase Limits, as you can find it here. As you tap on the option called Increase Limits, you can see you have Tier 1, which is the current one, Tier 2 and Tier 3. In order to apply for either of these, you can see all of the verification and information that is currently needed. For Tier 2, what you need is you need to have an approved document, a full SSN and tax identification number, as well as a government issued photo ID and additional some other informations. Otherwise, you can just move on to Tier 3, where you need two information if not already approved and additional information on your use of the service. Then just tap the apply option. Depending upon the type of verification you need, Remitly is going to first of all verify your document, your name, and then your account is going to get successfully verified. This way you can verify your Remitly accounts. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.